Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. The other day I picked a ton of lemons off the tree in our backyard, and a friend of mine shared a really yummy recipe, and today I'm gonna make it. First, we had a little bit of a disaster with the stove, so we had to get another one because look what happened. Not sure how this happened, but it is not safe to use a stove that's got a crack in it. Here's the recipe I'm going to be using. It's called Lemon Luscious Bars. And if you would like to get a close-up look, just pause the video.
Mix in a cup of soft butter, a dash of salt, a half a cup of powdered sugar, and 2 cups of flour.
Why am I pausing? Wah wah.
So I goofed. I put in regular sugar because I didn't see the P. What to do? Have you ever done anything like this before? So I'm going to go for it and just keep that way. And then I'm going to put it in the oven, 350 for 15 minutes. So I've decided to go ahead and go with my mistake. We'll see what happens. But I smashed it. Once I got it mixed up really well, I smashed it in to a 9x13 cake pan. And I am going to cook it 350 for 15 minutes.
Now to squeeze my lemons. It says 1/3 cup. One lemon wasn't quite 1/3 cup, so I used 2 lemons, which was a little more than 1/3 cup, but that's okay. So now I'm mixing all the ingredients it calls for at this point. Make sure those eggs are nice and beaten up until it looks like this. Nice and lemony. Now to pour it onto the crust.
We gotta put this in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes.
Clean out my mess.
It's all done. Now it just has to cool.
Now you're probably wondering how the crust turned out. It actually turned out great. And I don't know if there's really that much of a difference. Next time I do make these, I'm going to try it with the powdered sugar though. And of course, everybody loved them. I will definitely be making these again. In fact, I've already had some requests. Let me know if you like lemon desserts and what your favorite is. Thanks for joining me, and I want to thank my friend for sharing the recipe with us. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.